Shot one kill, man. Wow.
I wasn't expecting
Not
that.
even a battle. Look at that line. That's professional right there.
That was fun. This one was so slow though.
Dude,
I was like, oh, I'm coming off at perfect speed.
that was amazing.
Thanks, man. That
Good
was
job.
awesome. That was
Alright,
fun.
now get it onto Hurricane.
Yeah.
Broadside of Hurricane.
As long as the camera's on, I'll usually get stuff like within 2 or 3 goes.
You don't think it's a bail gun?
Nah, I have the opposite. Dave Stefanoff is always like, pull the camera out, you make stuff.
Yeah.
It's the opposite to everybody else. Okay, just board slide, Hurricane. Maybe drop back down into board slide if I feel comfortable on it, or maybe just pull off. I don't know what's going to happen. It'll definitely to Hurricane. See where it goes. Yeah. Oh. Whoa!
First shot again. Oh my god!
See, I'm the anti-bail gun guy.
Dude.
More people should have filmed me. They
How
wouldn't have
wide-
wasted so much film.
Show me how wide your trucks and board are. Let's go.
Okay, so 10-inch axles. So the Ace, what are they? 8 O's with the inverted kingpin system, base plate system only, obviously, because these aren't available in 8 O's yet. Then 10.5-inch Death Breath skateboard with Lil Jon's rails. That's my shape, by the way. It's a shagsicle. It's a egg through the belly, shovel nose, and popsicle tail.
Sick.
Maybe a lip slide? I haven't tried a lip slide on this side yet.
Let's go.
It's not a slappy though because
Why isn't it a slappy?
it's a pivot into it.
Oh man.
I haven't done a slappy today. Oh, that's, yeah, okay.
Come on.
You're going to go purist. The feeble, the front trucks should bash over and you shouldn't lift. Like it should be like bang, but I don't think anybody does them that way. Oh, I'll try a feeble, how about that?
Okay, let's go. Almost.
Thought I had some
I
distance.
thought you were going to get a first shot.
Maybe I'll go feeble board and then try and hurricane down the bottom.
Sounds good.
Feeble drop, yeah.
Let's do that.
Yep, cool. Okay, we got this. Oh, I'll get that.
Feeble.
Like real quick feeble. And then hurricane at the end.
Okay.
It's like a little bit of a dance. Hey, how are you, man?
To me before.
That's a really good idea. That's like one of the best ideas I've heard today. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, good call, huh?
Yeah, I know.
Oh. Ah. Oh. Wasting all that film. Yeah!
Yes.
Oh no!
Yes.
I felt it like it was there, and then, yeah, I don't know, something happened.
Woo! That was so sick.
I can't believe I got it.
Dude, you got it. Just gotta wait for this. You know, don't they know this is a skate spot? Okay, let's go. that dog scared the shit out of me. Oh my God. I was like, what the? Oh. Sorry, Damo.
You're all right, man.
I just... Come back. Fine, I'll just be happy with the no slide.
No, you got it. You got to just go.
The 50-50 is scary.
Yeah, especially when you can't lock.
Oh! Woo! Woo! I actually can't lock into that. Wow, dude.
It's so grippy.
Right. Do you want some wax? Oh, yuck.
Grip spot. Oh, man, waxing stuff. Workout. No. Oh.
Wow.
Used to work real well on this one. I might just test the waters and see if I can roll onto a 50-50 on this one.
Yep.
Or maybe I should try a feeble. Don't feel like falling over it now, ever. The feeble feels a little too far away. And I haven't been skating enough, you know. But that'll all change over the next couple of weeks. I'll just send you progress footage here. Just be like, Shan, I got it, dude. I got it. I got the length. Feeble, killed it. Hi, brother.
Damo. Boom.
Pleasure.
Thanks, baby. Imagine you're only that and then the acid dropped off.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do it now.
It's gonna be this
I don't know how to come off the board side. Oh, got your back on. Yeah.
Oh, no!